Morning, everyone. It's Friday morning at 8:50, and this is your pre-opening comment. It is video number 950. And I mention again, please hit that subscribe button. Okay, so Asia and Europe both lower. And we had those earnings last night that moved a couple of the stocks. Nike down $7, just under 5%. Costco up a little, not overwhelming, but the real news out of there is that they have some supply chain issues also, and they're going to limit all of the paper sales. So toilet paper, tissue paper, paper towel. So I think that's somewhat of a negative. We have lots of news in the chip sector. White House talking about the Defense Production Act again. There's a meeting there today. You can be sure there'll be a lot of nothing coming out of it. IAC, Barry Diller's company, looks like it's going to buy, in discussions to buy Meredith Publishing, magazine publishing. Stock closed 44.89 yesterday, trading this morning 55.49, up about 10.6% on that news, although it hasn't necessarily been finally announced yet. McDonald's raised their dividends 7%. The stock is up $1.12, which is a half of 1%. And ZIVO, which I have been mentioning now for a week. This stock on Monday was up 60%. Then Tuesday it hit 790 and went back down to 3. Yesterday closed 336. This morning trading 701, up 100%. So I don't know what's going on there. But it's been all over the place. We had the CDC and the FDA on opposite sides of the same issue for the booster shot. We'll see how that shakes out. And the futures are lower. At 8 o'clock, they were down 100. Right now, they're down 155. The NASDAQ was down about 90. And it right now is down 125, and the S&P, which was down about 20, is also continuing lower. So we have a little bit of a pullback. It's only down 22 and a quarter. It was down 20 anyway, so not terrible action there. The real action, though, has been in the futures. As I mentioned last night, Dennis had a number of 1737.50. It hit there. I believe he got long with a stop at 1735 in the gold only account. The low today has been 1743. The high 1758. So on the chart, you can see why the numbers worked. And right now we have an inside day. I don't know what his position is. I'm sure that he has raised a stop or sold the position. One way or the other, I would expect that it's considered protected. The big news, though, overnight was that China says dealing in cryptocurrencies is illegal. So this is just another, we have it here, they have it there. It's called a power grab. They want to control all of this, and right now we have Bitcoin down 3,535. We have Ethereum down approximately the same thing. As far as the bonds go, we were down hard yesterday. We're not down hard today, but we are down 13/30 seconds. So we've had a move from over 164 to under 162 in the past 2 days. This will give you a little better look. 164 and a half. Today's low so far, exactly on the 100-day moving average, and down on the day. So a pretty substantial move in the bonds. We'll see whether they react well. This is one that I've been talking about fundamentally. The fundamentals do not line up with the market action, and eventually it will be corrected. Dollar was down yesterday, is up 34 cents today. This thing is all over the place. I don't think that most people really understand how dramatic these moves actually are. So, all right, everyone, be careful out there. We had real good news on Deep South. The government is now under an order to get this their filings done by October 10th, which is right around the corner. That substantially shortens the time frame for getting back to work there. All right, everyone, have a good day. Be careful out there.